I'm just waiting for people to quickly join us. Hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for joining in, everyone. Hi. Thank you for the hearts that are showering in. Thank you, everybody, for joining us on time. Hello, Nitin. Thank you for joining us. I'm just waiting for a few more seconds before I start the session. Thank you, Aman. We love you too. Pentagon loves you the most. Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us for this session. I'm waiting for few another seconds. Thank you. Thank you for all the hearts that are showered. Thank you. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the fourth session of Chai Time in Quarantine Season 3. So we've had 3 fantastic sessions during the day, and we are here with yet another interesting segment. Before we start, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Nisha Shetty, and I'm delighted to be a tea host for this particular session. And you know what? I'm very, very excited to host this special session because today joining us is an celebrity hairstylist. She's an actor, she's a director, she's a producer, and she has many hats that she wears. Ladies and gentlemen, joining us today is Bombay ki Rani, Sapna Bhavnani. Okay, let me quickly get her on board with us. As she joins us, I request all of you to kindly shower us with a lot of hearts, and let's please give her a super duper warm welcome.
Hi.
Hi, Sapna. Hello, hello. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. Technology, yeah, this is crazy.
Okay, so before we talk anything else, I want to address this. So I was talking to you today during the day. I was seeing all your Insta stories, and I'm in love with the hairstyle that you've created. And the best part is, I went to your Salos page, that's Matter What, and I saw you created this look in just 15 minutes. Is that true?
That's right. कैसे कर सकते हैं यार?
How? It would take me 15 hours to do this.
नहीं, but you know what? I already had the braids pre-braided.
Yeah, I saw that.
You can also buy them like that. So you
हाँ.
just have to take the loop and just braid that much with your hair. बस वही करना है, फिर rubber band से बांध दो. 15 मिनट में it was like done.
Should I open my hair? बस इतना I know, yeah, please open it. It's looking very cute.
Yeah, let's just why not? Okay, hi. 15-minute hair.
I still can't believe it. And you're so casually saying it. हाँ, 15 मिनट में हो जाता. मुझे लगता नहीं हमसे 15 मिनट में ये होगा.
हाँ, that's why, so many people call me and tell me, yaar, tips can you please tell us how to cut our hair? Can you please tell us what should we do? And I'm like, man, if our profession was so easy. Yeah, it's not like makeup or anything that you can just wipe off. It's not like making clothing or or learning something. This is like your pride and joy, especially in India. You know what kind of importance we give our lustrous hair. So it's not so easy as like, unless you're like me, where you don't care. I mean, if you're one of those people, please experiment. Please take a razor, take a buzzer, take a kitchen knife, like experiment, burn it, like whatever.
And especially during this entire lockdown period, experimentations level have gone high and above with people doing the fringe cuts. I don't know when I'm going to take off my scissors and do a fringe cut for myself.
But fringe karna chahiye, yaar. Fringe is pretty easy to do,
Yeah.
And you should experiment. I mean, I don't think we're going to get out of lockdown and it.
No, it's very easy, but people can do blunders with fringes as well.
That's true, of course. But you should try. सब कुछ try करना चाहिए. मतलब मेरे हिसाब से, I just feel like, a fringe is not that much of a commitment. You know, and then खराब लगेगा तो pin करके मतलब छुपा भी सकते हो ना वैसे.
Gel well लगा लो.
Yeah, and if you're a guy, my God, if you're a guy, this is so easy for you, yeah. तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करना है. सच में, you could just take clippers and keep at it. Like for guys, it's sorted. But like women, women are like a bit.
No, but I'm going to come to the haircut. I have a question specially for that haircut related to men. I'll get to that later. But before that, quickly, you tell me 1 or 2 annoying questions that you get at interviews all the time. Which are like, अरे बस करो यार, ये मुझे और मत पूछो. ऐसे कोई questions है that you're saturated, you're done and dusted with?
I think that tattoo B2. सब कुछ मतलब मेरे टैटू और B2 के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, तो ये थोड़ा बार बार टू रिपीट द टैटू और B2, एंड देन ऑल्सो जस्ट you're such a forward thought woman, ये मतलब नॉन स्टॉप आते रहता है. So I think that वो forward से हम let's move forward from that
Let's
also.
move forward. It's done. हो गया. B2 हो गया. tattoo
Yeah,
हो गया.
और ये टैटू B2 की कहानियां इतनी है, मतलब तुम बुक आ रहा है तुम उस पे पढ़ लेना.
Oh,
It's
you're
just
writing a
better
book
that
on
way.
that as well.
Arey, I've been writing a book for a very long time.
I
Thank
know
you,
you have one book
HarperCollins.
on your hairstyle
They have
now.
been for kids.
Yeah. I know about that book.
Actually, adults should buy that book. It's
Yes.
called Style Award. Yeah,
Yes,
you should
I
buy
know.
that book. Yeah, because in quarantine,
Huh.
that tells you how to style your hair in all these different looks using
Oh,
home
wow.
products and home equipment. Actually,
Okay.
I just realized that book is so important in these, like it's 10 years old abhi, wo to.
Huh.
But I'm writing a proper book abhi, like I've signed with Harper for 3 years.
Okay.
They have been very patient with me. It's taken a
You
long
finish the
time. क्योंकि मैं अभी डॉक्यूमेंट्री बना रही थी ना, तो इतना कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Yes.
यू कांट मेक फिल्म एंड लाइक राइट अ बुक. मेरे से नहीं होता है एटलीस्ट. और टैटू B2 भी करो और बाल भी काटो और फिर शूट पे भी जाओ, तो यू हैव टू लिव लाइफ अ लिटिल टू राइट अबाउट इट. प्लस
So
दे
now
वांट
you
टू मेक
sorry.
इट सॉरी लाइक अ मेमोir, एंड आई सेड यार आई एम टू यंग टू राइट अ मेमोir. यार ये memoir नहीं है. I have so much more life to live. Like you can't just make it memoir and that's the end all be all of my life. Like no. So they've been patient, and this year I don't think any book is going to come out anyways.
No. But at least, after this live session, which book we need to hunt and download today itself? That's Style or what? Style or what?
हाँ, if
Style
you can, yeah, Scholastic.
Yeah, we
से
would
है,
do that, of
Style
course.
Award लो यार. I
We
don't know
need it to
download हो
get us-
सकता है कि नहीं.
There you are doing that in 15 minutes. This is me doing this in 15 minutes. Okay,
Oh, by the way, hi everybody who have joined. I've not even
yeah,
like,
I'm
paid
so sorry. There are
attention.
so many comments that people are
Thanks guys.
Sorry.
Sorry, मैं इसकी शक्ल देख रही थी तक, मतलब देख रही थी.
Sorry,
इसके
sorry.
बालों को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, और आपके
मुझे
कमेंट्स तो
लगा
हमने
ही-
पढ़े नहीं.
I was so nervous, Sapna. मैंने बोला, oh God, I'm going and facing Sapna today. What should I do to my hair?
No,
मैं
यार.
छिपा देती हूँ.
And the last
tell
person
me.
who's gonna judge. No judgment.
So tell me,
मेरे को देखा है.
Since we all know कि tattoos बहुत symbolic होते हैं, do you think hairstyle also kind of defines people?
Of course. But whatever color I am,
Ah.
somehow it affects my mood, na? And also it attracts a different kind of guy. You see? So different colors attract different varieties. So I've been experimenting this now for a very long time. But somehow, in all my varieties, all of them seem to be penniless. So now I'm trying to change that. All professions, but somehow I get all the penniless different professions, you know. So
Which
now
is
if I नहीं अभी थोड़ा like बहुत हो गया. Like
अभी
I'm
नहीं हो गया.
tired of paying for everything. Okay, like especially the last relationship I was in. Oh God damn. It was the worst. Like even for his alcohol and his cigarettes. मतलब इतना बेशरम मत बनो ना. मतलब that's a bit much, like, you know. But like, so now I'm thinking, how do I attract the rich guys? So I think I should let go of this pink. कभी थोड़ा brown करती हूँ. तुम्हारे जैसे बाल.
मेरे oh God, now I'm not
ऐसे
touching my
थोड़ा-
hair at all. If this
हाँ.
attracts rich men, then this is
I think
staying
so.
forever.
थोड़े rich men, you know, थोड़े
ऐसा
मतलब
classy
you don't have to
voice.
pay for me, but at least pay for yourself.
Yes, true.
You know,
that.
I'm fine, but like तुम अपना मतलब अपना काम तुम संभालो, मैं अपना काम खुद संभालती हूँ, ये ठीक है.
समझा.
कभी कभी मेरा भी संभाल लो, वो भी ठीक है, you know.
और लास्ट रिलेशनशिप का कौन सा कलर था जो अट्रैक्ट हुआ था लोगों को?
साला ये पिंक था यार.
पिंक था. ओके,
पिंक से मैं ब्लू चले गई. ओके, पर ये पिंक ब्लू, अब मैं वही सोचू, पर येलो बहुत खतरनाक कलर है. बिकॉज जब मैं येलो थी ना, मुझे ऐसे शक्ति आ गई, जो मैंने उसको बोला चल फोड़ यहाँ से. सो शायद अभी मैं थोड़ा येलो ब्लॉन्ड हूँ और थोड़ा पिंक हूँ, पर अब मैं फुल येलो. या शक्ति येलो में आ रही, शायद क्योंकि वो सन का कलर है ना, शक्ति येलो. सुनो
So now next
औरतें,
time Sapna is going with blonde and yellow and
when I go blonde or just yellow, sunlight, sunshine. अभी तुम्हें secret मालूम पड़ गया है. Okay, if you are rich.
Okay, quickly let me just yes.
Hi Sasha. अरे मेरी आरती. अरे all my hairdresser clan is here.
Yeah. Your friends. So Shushma is my.
अरे गायकवाड रानी. अरे रे. Hi.
Her hair is missing you a lot. Sanjay Bafna is telling it's my third live watching you and it's so exciting. Visha is giving you heart-eyed smileys. There are so many people commenting.
Sorry यार. I wish I had wine. Wine होता तो ये मतलब किधर और चले जाता है, you know, ये conversation.
Okay, so now Vijay has told you something, has commented something exciting, which is kind of related to my next question, coincidentally. Which hairstyle MSD suits most? What is your favorite? So he's asking about what suits.
What is my favorite?
Talk about it. No, we are not going to talk about what suits him. We'll talk about something exciting. So now, Instagram पे trend चला है where all the wives are cutting their husbands' hair. Since all this Anushka and Virat started the trend. There are daughters cutting their father's hair and all. But you know what? We saw a throwback video on your Insta profile where the Captain Cool himself was cutting your hair.
Imagine, yeah.
So, imagine. You know what? Sapna, it is a fan moment for people like us to get our hair cut by you. But imagine for you, you're getting your hair cut by Dhoni. How was the entire experience? Please tell me.
और देखा तुमने मतलब क्या मतलब that was I think 2010 वो वीडियो 2010 का था पर मेरे पास एक और सीक्रेट वीडियो है मैं डालूंगी that is 2007 when he had long hair and I was coloring his long hair before he was going to the World Cup और कितना चटर फटर कर रहा था उसमें मतलब but you know Mahi used to talk so much yeah I miss my Mahi वो पहले वाला मेरा महिंद्रा क्या मतलब चटर अब वो बहुत चुप हो गया है वैसे मतलब you know and I think it's like people's fault you know like you say anything people just like kind of put you on one thing and say you said that and they just you know no one has that freedom to say anything anymore you have to think 40 times before I say anything because tomorrow you will judge me for this that blah 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 so it's just better I don't say anything yeah तो लोग बहुत गंदे हो गए हैं social media बहुत गंदी चीज है even though we're doing this on social media but yeah I love the fact when we had to stalk our you know our role models where we had to watch in a magazine यार ये क्या करने वाले like I remember Pratima Bedi यार when she streaked naked on Juhu Beach और वो cover के लिए it was like and when you don't know anything about a person that mystique is so wonderful you know and so Mahi still does that because he doesn't tweet about everything he's a silent celebrity social media भी देखो कुछ नहीं करता है वो सोशल मीडिया में एक ट्वीट नहीं आता है कुछ नहीं आता है उसका वो बस साइलेंट ऐसे ही बैठा है so that's why his fan base is crazy because he also doesn't do anything so people like us Sakshi you know we put little tidbits of him so people know कि वो है दोस्तों वो है पर वो थोड़ा ऐसे है you know what I mean
Okay, so quickly let me just read the comments again. Shushma is again saying my hair is missing you.
Shushi, I love you, baby. I love you. Tell husband to cut it.
Okay, Jasras saying hi, Sapna. You're an amazing woman. Shushma is also telling you love you, Saps. Jasra is telling love your smile. Shash is telling Mahi's mohawk hairstyle is the best.
I also think so.
Yes, and even Felix is again agreeing with the fact that it's people's fault that people are so obsessed with his retirement and all of that. People are putting a lot of pressure. Very true. Okay, so now quickly, since we are talking about risk, I had read somewhere in one of your interviews you had said that my motto of life is only when you jump off the cliff will you realize that you know to fly. I think it is such a beautiful thing that you stated. I read it.
I forgot about that. Yeah.
No, it is so
डालना पड़ेगा.
It is very beautiful, and you know what? It is so relatable, especially now with people kind of unfortunately people losing out a lot on their businesses and all of that.
I'm also
all of us.
मतलब क्या फेसबुक पे ये मतलब इंस्टाग्राम में बैठ के बातें कर रहे हैं पर बाल नहीं काट रहे ना रेंट पे कर रहे so anyways
so since you said that we all know that you're a big time risk taker and you've emerged successfully out of it so tell me what is what advice you want to give to people out there? You just mentioned about the fact that people are very scared to speak out, to be like unapologetically honest sometimes because of the peer pressure. What is your take on this?
मेरा प्रॉब्लम यहाँ में क्या है दोस्तों, मैं बहुत ऑनेस्ट हूँ, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट गेट्स मी इन अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ brands that don't associate with me, but you know, I won't change it for the world. My morals are actually so high, that's why I only have like 4-5 friends. So you know, my friends, उनके morals मतलब वहाँ तक आने चाहिए, नहीं तो नहीं है. You know what I mean? And even with brands, like, screw you. I don't want to be your brand ambassador if you have no morals. If you're just going to sell your rubbish product to people by paying me like whatever, 10 rupees, it's not even worth it, you know. And now I'm like a filmmaker, more, hairdresser less. तो अब मैं films बना रही हूँ. वहाँ तो कुछ और level के politics है यार. मतलब क्या क्या चाटना पड़ता है, तो वो तो मेरे से होता नहीं है. हम चाट नहीं सकते. तो चाट नहीं सकते, तो once again you have to take matters in your own hand. तो दोस्तों, you must take matters in your own hand, whatever profession you are in. And you know, just go and just do it. Like, forget and don't kiss ass to anybody. Don't kiss ass to anyone. Seriously. Stand your ground and make it. It's very tough. You'll have 0 friends and everyone will think you're crazy and ye wo. But in the end, na, mast hota hai.
So rightly said, and you rightly said that it is important for you all to. There are people, unfortunately, there are influencers, there are hairstylists, there are makeup artists who promote stuff that they don't personally use or believe in, and it is so amazing that you don't do it just for the sake of money, which is why I think you have a crazy fan base who genuinely love you and genuinely love your work, and I think that's
ऐसे नहीं है. But I'm just saying, I think we're losing out on a lot of money.
I'm not even reading. The comments are proof. So there's one lady, Sanjay Mukh Prajapati is telling she's awesome. And Sanjay is telling you just speak your heart out. That requires a lot of guts and courage. Tamanna is telling you love your dimples. Hum do
Thanks, yaar.
Okay.
Thanks, yaar.
Thanks, yaar.
Yeah, but no, but honestly, like, just saying, as a salon also, you have to take responsibility for your clients. I think we're the only ones in the world that don't sell products. तो तुम वहाँ haircut के लिए आओगे, पर उसके बाद 10,000 रुपए नहीं दोगे some बकवास products that you'll never use.
You know, I can do a live session for 30 minutes on this, on how I've been conned with such things.
You see? And that's right. And you know what? We are hairdressers, we are not sales agents. अपन तुम्हें बकवास प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं बेचेंगे यार.
That is so
इतना अच्छा हेयर कट करेंगे कि तुम मतलब. So you know, we used to have a thing, a rickshaw dry. That was my test. So if your hair looks great after a rickshaw ride, that means it's just the best haircut. So you should tell every client, जाके rickshaw test करके आओ. So this is how we build our client base. It was based on my rickshaw cut and my rickshaw dry.
Now I know where I have to come, because इधर ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग हेयर कट करने जाते हैं, but by the time you cover the salary, you made a bill of 15-20K, just like that.
और वो extra पैसा ना वो charity में दे सकते हो यार.
Exactly, so rightly said. Okay, Aman has said a beautiful thing. You style MS Dhoni. Who wants brands?
That's right. And do you know what I just realized? Okay, तो मेरा brand है Mad or what? Okay, but do you know what Mad also stands for?
Yes.
नहीं, MAD किसने बोला था ना? हाँ, Mad about Dhoni. That's what it stands for.
Oh, I didn't know.
See, अपन धोनी में इतने घुसे हुए हैं कि सब कुछ धोनी निकलता है यार. But even with Chiku, Virat, I used to cut his hair when he was also a baby. I've been part of a lot of processes when they were just babies growing up and getting into their adult phase in the cricket team, you know. But I feel like styling athletes is so inspirational. I prefer that to actors, because you can't become an athlete because Papa was one. You know, you need talent.
So true. So
you need a state of mind. You really, so athletes are inspirational, and I'm really glad in India we're actually looking up to them now as someone. And I think if there's anything that can shut down India, it's cricket.
True.
Cricket can shut down India. No Bollywood film can. You know?
And
So that just tells you like how aspirational, and most of those, cricket players are from small towns, yeah?
Yes,
That's why it's
yes.
aspirational.
Yes.
Athletes in general are from small towns.
Yes.
So it's the perfect success story of how from a small town you get there. It's really, you read about so many of them and it's so inspirational.
So
वो
true.
तुम्हें किधर और नहीं मिलेगा.
You just dropped on very smart one-liner saying कि you can't be an athlete just because your papa was one. So इतना ऐसा मक्खन जैसा निकला वो.
हाँ,
अपने मन में वो.
मतलब सोच रहे हो ना, मैं कनेक्ट करी हूँ हेयर और फिल्म दुनिया, क्योंकि हम दोनों दुनिया में हो ना अभी.
Okay, now क्योंकि हम हेयर दुनिया की भी बात करें ना, I really want, because of course पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में ज्यादा लोगों को उतना पता नहीं होता है, but then when people like us research, ऐसे रिसर्च में चले जाते हैं क्या है. So I found out you started your entire career from Chicago. You went to Chicago. You had like a nice settled job over there. Elvis look-alike boyfriend over there.
ओहो, बहुत रिसर्च की तुमने.
मतलब now I can write your biography. मैं लिख सकती हूँ.
I hope he's also watching, यार. वो भी मेरा Insta friend है.
Please comment. Okay, so on a serious note, you have done that. You came to India. You settled in Bandra. You have your own salons. You didn't stop there. You kept changing. You kept upgrading your salons to bigger spaces. That's not it. You went into the media industry. You started writing. You started directing. You started acting. You started producing. You have your own production house. You make music videos. So many things. So we can see clearly. You have a diverse range of interests. Tell us, what is that one thing that keeps you going, that drives you to do so many different things? Because एक तो time manage करना, like you said, मुश्किल हो जाता है कि क्या करे क्या नहीं करे. So what drives you the most? One thing.
I think it's because I'm shameless. It's nothing affects me. तुम जो बोलना है बोलो, जो करना है. I'm so shameless that it doesn't matter. मतलब I'm gonna do, And this is the biggest lesson I have learned. A lot of us, you have to get yourself out of your way. Because you only stop yourself. बोलेंगे अरे यार मैं ये करूँगा क्या होगा, ये करूँगी तो क्या होगा, वो क्या बोलेगा, ये क्या बोलेगा. सब भाड़ में गए यार. तुम्हें करना है तुम कर लो, देखा जाएगा. ऐसे. So I feel like just be shameless. Don't worry about what anyone's saying. And next year मेरा new career चालू होने वाला है. वो हम next year discuss करेंगे. अब मैं lessons ले रही हूँ. वो next level shameless है.
Okay. Do you want to drop some bombs here in our Insta live?
Yeah. Next year I want to become a cabaret dancer. तो मैं cabaret सीख रही हूँ अब.
Are you serious?
Yes. क्योंकि my father used to own a. अरे सुन यार, my father used to own a cabaret bar. Next year हम dance करके.
They said right. In India, right?
अरे 70s में, हाँ, in Bombay, called the Blue Nile.
Oh wow.
तो yeah, my first birthday was spent watching the cabaret, Marine Lines.
Oh.
The culture back then was just amazing. Families used to watch the cabaret, यार. तुम देखो Helen, Bindu, वो गंदे थोड़ी थे. मतलब क्या era था वो. फिर आई Zini Baby, Zeenat Aman, Parveen Bhavi. मतलब ये next level. And as we are going, we're just regressing and we're becoming like stupid and गंदा है और ये गंदा है और वो गंदा है. पर पहले ऐसे कुछ नहीं था. हम मतलब डिस्कोस 5 बजे तक खुले होते थे. अब तुम 12, 12:30 बोलते हो घर चले जाओ. ये क्या प्रोग्रेशन है क्या? ये क्या प्रोग्रेशन है? So I want to bring the cabaret back. I want to become a cabaret dancer. I want to make it like इसमें कुछ गंदी चीज है ही नहीं यार. हम करेंगे डांस. आप देखो. We'll do private Instagram live cabaret dance.
We will. For sure. Okay, I think that's your
My
friend
mom's
Gayatri
gonna also
Joshi.
dance with me.
Your mom-
Gayatri, I love you, baby. Gayatri is a wonderful artist, by the way, and a healer. बहुत मजेदार चीजें करती है वो. मतलब Gayatri, I love you, baby.
She's saying cats keep you going.
Cats also keep me going because I am a cat. Meow. In the end, you just become a cat. मैं एक मजेदार चीज बोलूं. Cats and dogs के बारे में. मतलब ये everything, Gayatri is actually very correct. Because everything you need to learn in life, तुम ऐसे सीखो. अभी एक कुत्ता होता है. Okay, when a kutta goes to take a dump, what does the dog do when he takes a shit? He like gets all excited, he throws a party and he tells the whole world, look, I just took a shit. Like that's how dogs get, right? But cats they take a shit, they cover it up, silently move on. Because nobody needs to know your shit, man. So be a cat. Be silent
This
about
only
your
one of
shit.
most-
And move on. Don't be a dog. Like, there's no need to throw a party about your shit. Okay, that only stupid, immature people do that. पब्लिक पे जाओ, अपने शिट को इतना बड़ा बनाओ तो लाइक्स मिलेंगे और लोग बोलेंगे यार तुम्हारी शिट तो मतलब मस्त है. बिल्ली बनो, अपना शिट छोड़ो, कुछ
ये
और बात.
story
Become
के
the
दौरान
shit.
जो hearts आए ना, मैं count भी नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
अच्छा, इतने है. टक टक टक. Shit cell, man.
This has been one of the most enlightening moments of all our lives. कि nobody would have thought इतना इंटेलेक्चुअल और इतना इम्पोर्टेंट चीज को कैट्स और डॉग के सूप से डिपिक्ट कर पाता. आई मीन यू हैव टू बिकम अ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर आल्सो सपना. लेट मी टेल यू शुड ऐड दिस टू योर बायो.
पहले बिल्ली बन जाती हूँ.
Okay.
My father also used to call me a billy. It was my pet name growing up. So even my
Okay.
cabaret dancer, अभी मैं सोच रही थी यार मेरा नाम क्या होना चाहिए. कैबरे डांस का एक नाम होना चाहिए यार. तो
Yeah.
मैंने सोचा बिल्ली अच्छा नाम है. तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
बिल्ली.
बिल्ली
हम लोग नाम
बिल्ली अच्छा नाम है ना.
अभी ना मेरे पास ना मेरे को ऐसा हो रहा है कि ये क्या हो गया. मेरे को किसी ने आधा घंटा क्यों दिया सपना से बात करने. पहले तो मुझे
अच्छा ओके, हमारा घंटा चालू हो रहा है. हाँ, हमें जाना है अभी यार, काम करना है.
Unfortunately, मेरे पास बहुत questions है. You know, I have audience questions also, and I genuinely didn't think 30 minutes would have been less for us. But now I'm like, oh my god, I'm not even halfway through this. Okay, no. So
देखो
one
भाई.
very important thing that I wanted to ask you is, of course, about Sindhustan. So that is, I think,
हाँ,
one of your
यार.
first projects. Is it your first directorial?
Yes,
movie?
feature. Yes,
As a
yes,
director?
yes.
And
Yes.
it's already received lots and lots of love and support at the various international film festivals that it has been premiered with. And the best part is it's going online soon. This is what I saw.
Yes,
on your
तुम्हें ये कैसे
Instagram.
मालूम? अरे वाह भाई.
कि आपने
और वो
Instagram
भी
पे डाला
हम
था and we follow you
हाँ.
very religiously.
यस आ रहा है
So how
ऑनलाइन.
do you
वो भी
feel
एक दो
now?
दिन में
Finally
हम
people are
अनाउंस
going to
करेंगे.
watch it.
आई एम फीलिंग रियली
how-
वंडरफुल.
Yeah.
और ये यू नो बट द थिंग इज ये फिल्म ना बहुत छोटी है. एक्चुअली इट्स अ मूवमेंट आई हैव क्रिएटेड कि
It's a
सिंध
documentary,
के बारे
yes,
में.
हाँ, yes.
Nobody knows anything
Yes.
about Sindhis, yeah, except that we are कंजूस और सिंधी कड़ी. बस इतना ही मालूम है सिंधियों के बारे में और कुछ मालूम
And
ही
सिंधी
नहीं.
कड़ी.
बट इवन आई हाँ then I used to
And बहुत
wonder
smart
यार
होते हैं.
ये क्यों है. हाँ, स्मार्ट का वो नहीं मालूम पर वो होता है बिजनेस सेंस है पर कंजूस. एंड इफ यू सी अ स्नेक और अ सिंधी, किल द सिंधी. एंड आई वाज लाइक यार ऐसे क्यों बोलते हैं हमारे सिंधियों के बारे में. But you know, when I started doing research and I started talking to people, yaar, if you lost everything and you had to start from scratch, that 1 rupiah na is like so much to you, is worth so much. You're not going to give that 1 rupiah away, yeah? So now I understand. I
Now we all
understand
understand.
why we hold on. Yeah. पर ये मूवमेंट है एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोना डू. आई एम बिल्डिंग द वेबसाइट टू बिकम लाइक द गो टू सिंधी वेबसाइट इन द वर्ल्ड. तो ये सब अभी अनाउंसमेंट या ये फिल्म तो मतलब एक छोटा हिस्सा है पर जर्नी तो बहुत बड़ी है अभी. मतलब बहुत काम करना है. और सो दिस इज द गोल. सो इन अ फ्यू डेज ऑल अनाउंसमेंट्स आर गोना कम. Hopefully, maybe we only can go live and have this conversation. देखेंगे. हाँ.
I would love to. Pentagon.
बात करेंगे हम.
मुझे एक और काम मिल गया इसके थ्रू. Thank you, Pentagon. Let's do more live. And that is
Yeah, let's do more lives.
So Dipali is telling I can hear her all day long. I so agree with you, Dipali. This is, I think, probably one of the most fun live set. Not one of the most fun live session I've ever hosted. Believe me, I really want to. I
Thanks,
have a list of questions, Sapna, that I want to ask you. But I think एक question अगर मैं नहीं पूछूंगी ना तो audience मुझे बहुत गाली देगी.
Okay, बोलो
are
यार,
those
बोलो.
very important tips that you want to give to people like us to take care of our hair during this lockdown?
देख भाई, तुमसे बाल तो नहीं होगा. ओके, ये तुम छोड़ दो. बाल हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट मत बनो. ओके, पर तुम ऐसे कर सकते हो. हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट ट्राई करो ना. काटना क्यों है बहन. या भाई हेयर स्टाइल्स ट्राई करो यार. कितने मजेदार हेयर स्टाइल्स हो सकते हैं तुम्हारे, है ना. कभी ट्राई व्हाई डोंट यू गो बैक टू योर मॉम्स yesteryears, do a beehive, do braids, like मजे करो थोड़े. मतलब then you can see how much fun Like, I feel like that's what you can do instead of just trying to cut. But fringe, though, you should try. Go for it. Sab log try karo fringe.
Don't encourage me to do it, please.
उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. But otherwise, you know, just get a ratting comb, make a big beehive nest out of your thing like old mama used to be. Why don't you try to be like your mom, yeah? Because nowadays all these photos are coming, na, me at 20, me at 20. Why don't you become your mom at 20? See how beautiful,
you know
like,
what? I think-
whoa.
Yes, through this, after this live session, I'm genuinely going to encourage everybody to at least try different hairstyles. We'll click those pictures and we are going to tag you. And we are going to take reviews from you on how
Yes.
good we did or how pathetic we were.
Yes. I'm such a vintage hairstyle person, यार. मतलब वो करो, rollers डालो अपने बालों में, rollers set करो. थोड़ा ऐसे बनो यार, तनुजा, शर्मिला टैगोर, you know, ऐसे करो, मुमताज, sexy. Let's do that. Why you have to cut all this
So
and ये
we've
सब
learned
छोड़ो.
from this session कि बालों का गिरने का सब stress मत लो. Just try and experiment different hairstyles and looks at home.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so let
And
me
don't
tell you,
color, please, because
lots and
you're
lots
going to
of
mess
love
up your
has
hair.
Lots and lots of love has been showered over here. There are tons of comments which I can't read right now, unfortunately, because we've crossed our time limit.
Yes,
so
and thank you everyone. Really, I really thank you for coming and you know
And,
spending आधे घंटे मेरे साथ. हम thank you really, and thank you
People
really.
want to
like,
spend
thank
more
you. It was
time.
so much fun.
Thank you so much. And even Shweta has joined us. She's doing the next live session, by the way. She's saying hi to you, but
Hi.
The last session of the day is her session, and probably she's waiting for us to go off now.
Okay, चल हम जा रहे हैं. चल bye.
No, kidding.
Bye.
But
Bye. Bye,
thank you
everyone.
so
Bye,
much.
Nisha.
Sapna, for
Thank you.
joining.
Thank you,
Means a lot.
Pentagon.
Thank you.
बहुत मजा आया. बहुत मजा आया.
Thank you.
Bye.